Good morning, class 2. It's your science book, Paramount Science Awareness 2. Lesson number 20 and page number 115. The topic is using electricity. So, firstly, we will discuss what is electricity. So, electricity is the flow of electric charge. So, now we will discuss this chapter in little bit detail. So, we all use electricity in our daily routine. When we flip a switch and light up the dark room, so we are using electricity. Here this tube light is on because of electricity. When we wash our clothes, we use electricity because electric machines require electricity for its working. Even when we are listening to the radio, we are using electricity. Basically, the wire takes the electricity to the socket in our home. You can see this is a wire. This is a socket and we use it, and it is the means of electricity. Have you ever noticed a torch? A torch also uses electricity. This electricity comes from batteries, and inside the batteries there are chemicals, and these chemicals makes the electricity, and this electricity lights the bulb of a torch. So electricity is very valuable. We should save electricity, and electricity on the other hand is very dangerous also. So we should use electricity with very care. So there are some of the safety rules that we should follow or remember whenever we are using electricity. So the first rule is dry your hand when using electricity, because electricity can easily pass through the water, and by which we get an electric shock. Number 2, never connect wires to a socket without a plug, because by this thing you can get a shock. Third, don't put anything into the wall socket, because it can also give you an electric current. Number 4, don't use machine that has broken wire, because you can get electric current from them also. Number 5, don't put too many machines into a socket, because using too many machines into one socket can cause circuit breakdown. Number 6, never put a metal object into an electric machine, because metal is a conductor and it conducts electricity, and you get a shock or electric current while using it. So now we will do the bookwork of this chapter, so let's get started. Exercise 1. When you switch on the things below, do you get movement, heat, sound or light? Write M for the movement, H for the heat, S for the sound or L for the light in each box. So from the fan we get what? So whenever we open the fan or turn on the fan, we see its movement. So we can write here M for movement. Next is this. Whenever we turn on the lamp, what will be the change? Obviously, we get light. So here we will write L for light. So next is a washing machine. Whenever we turn on a washing machine, what we feel? Obviously, we feel movement, because in washing machine, the wheel moves. So here we will write M for movement. So next is a television. Whenever we turn on the television, obviously we hear sounds. So here we will write S for sounds. The next is oven. And whenever we turn on an oven, what happened? We bake different type of cakes, and different other things are cooked in oven, and heat is produced and we feel heat. So here we will write H for heat. Next is tape recorder. Whenever we turn on a tape recorder, we used to listen sounds. So here we will write S for sounds. Number 2, write whether the following things use electricity from battery or through sockets in your home. So there are some of the things that is mentioned below, and we have to write whether they work with the help of a battery or with the help of a socket. So number 1, A Torch. Whenever we see a torch, we use battery. Torch works with the help of a battery. So here we will write battery. Next is B, bulb. Whenever we turn on a bulb, we use socket. So here we will write S for socket, not battery. C, iron. Whenever we turn on an iron, we need socket. So here we will write socket. D, toy car. Obviously, we don't need a socket for working of or functioning of the toy car. So we need a battery. So here we will write battery. E, car. So we will write here battery because car need a battery, not a socket. It is very obvious. F, camera. So it is very obvious that we don't have socket, so we need only battery for its working and its functioning. So here we will write battery. G, computer. So it is very obvious, whenever we turn on a computer, we need a socket. So here we will write socket. H, transistor, and we need a battery for a transistor. So here we will write battery. 3, fill in the missing words in the safety code. So here is a couple of statements mentioned here and a couple of words mentioned on the other side, and we have to choose a correct one and fix it on the correct statement. So let's start. A, never dash with plugs. So the options are play, electricity, wet, fingers, or plug. So it is very obvious. We should never play with the plug. So here we will write play. A, never play with the plugs. B, don't touch plug with dash hands. Play hands? No. Electricity hands? No. Wet hands? Yes. Hands can get wet. So don't touch the plug with the wet hands because we can get electric shock by this. C, always get an adult to dash things. To play things? No. To electricity things? No. To wet things? No. To finger things? No. To plug things? Yes. C, always get an adult to plug things in. So here we will write plug. D, never put your dash into a socket in the wall. Never put your finger, and electricity is the option. So electricity is always present in a socket, while fingers, we should not put our fingers into a socket. So here we will write finger. Never put your finger into a socket in the wall, because by doing so we can get an electric shock. So E, remember dash can be dangerous. Electricity can be dangerous because it has its benefits as well as its drawbacks. So here we will write, remember electricity can be dangerous. So now we will do the question answers of this chapter. So let's get started. Exercise 1. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Write down a few things which need electricity to work. So we have already discussed that fan, lamp, television, washing machine, tape recorder, oven, and we have to mention all these things in the answer. So we can write it as that fan, lamp, washing machine, television, oven, and tape recorder, etc. are the few things that need electricity for its working. Question number 2. How does a battery provide electricity? So as we have already discussed that electricity comes from the batteries, and inside the batteries there are some sort of chemicals, and these chemicals make electricity. So in the answer we can write it as that the chemicals inside the battery make electricity. Question number 3. Why do we use electricity? We use electricity in many ways. Whenever we flip a switch and light up the dark room, we use electricity. Whenever we wash clothes, we use electricity. Whenever we listen to the radio, we are using electricity. While watching TV, we are also using electricity. So we are using electricity in many different kinds and types. So we can use electricity in many ways. In the answer, we can write it as that we use electricity when we flip a switch and light up a dark room, wash our clothes, listen to the radio, watch TV, and etc. Question number 4, how do we get electricity? So here we have already discussed that wire takes electricity to the sockets in our home and then we use it, and this is the mains of electricity. In the answer we can write it as wire takes electricity from the grid station to the sockets in our homes and by which we get electricity. Question number 5, how can we save electricity? As we all know that electricity is very valuable and we use it in our daily routine, so we should save it also. And we can save electricity by switching off the extra electric appliances. So we can write it as that we can save electricity by switching off the extra electric appliances. Now I will go through all these question answers for you. Question number 1, write down a few things which need electricity to work. In the answer, we can write it as fan, bulb, washing machine, television, and iron, etc. need electricity to work. Question number 2, how does a battery provide electricity? So in the answer, we can write it as the chemicals inside the battery makes electricity. Question number 3, when do we use electricity? In the answer, we can write it as we use electricity when we flip a switch and light up a dark room, wash our clothes, listen to the radio, watch television, etc. Question number 4, how do we get electricity? In the answer, we can write it as wire takes the electricity from the grid station to the sockets in our home, and this is called the main electricity. Question number 5, how can we save electricity? So we can write it as that we can save electricity by switching off the extra electric appliances.